Your Mercedes-Benz comes equipped with a variety of features designed to make your life easier. Here are a few functions you might be interested to know. Go to the navigation map and pull up the address you'd like to save. Long press the Home button for 2 seconds. Then move the address into the desired position in the Favorites menu. You can also rename the address however you like. To access the Favorites menu, press the Home button and scroll down to select and view favorites. If you want to use your smartphone's voice assistant, make sure it's connected via Bluetooth. Long press the voice control button on your steering wheel for 2 seconds and then release, and you'll hear the familiar sound of Siri or your Google Assistant. Will it rain today in Toronto?
Yes, I think we'll see some rain for today.
One way to get started is to enter your destination manually and begin an address or point of interest search. This smart search feature will auto-complete your entry and will then give you a list of destinations to choose from. To keep your search easy, you can simply enter the first few letters of the address and then select the correct destination from the list. With the forward arrow button on the touchpad, you can always skip to the next radio station or song on your media player without leaving the app you're using. To access your phone contacts, press the Phone button on your steering wheel. Scroll up to the search feature. Then select Enter Initials, Name, or Phone Number. The fastest way to find a contact is to enter the initials of the person you'd like to call, and their name will appear in a results list on the screen for you to select. You can also simply scroll through your phone book to find the contact. Then, start the call. Now that you know more about the convenient features of your Mercedes-Benz, all you have to figure out is where you want to go.